thank you for the flowers. Malapkis tayo, Mama.
Funny flower.
I love you.
I find it.
Did you find it? Well done.
I find the white flower.
Did you and Daddy find the flowers for Mommy?
No pink color.
Oh, Paris only.
Green. Red. Yellow. Yellow.
Good girl. So, iniwan niya ako sa ere. Oh my God. I can't believe na aabot sa ganito yung lahat. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday everyone. It is now 12 o'clock ng hapon. So maaga yung lunch break natin today guys kasi nandito si baby girl natin. Alam niyo naman pag Friday walang childcare itong batang ere. Let's go na anak. Come on, let's go. Wanna say hi na here oh. Come on. And very sunny sa labas too guys, so we're taking advantage of this weather. And I'll quickly show you my outfit for today. Tingnan niyo ang ating pa-outfit. Ay si Paris muna. Anak! Anak, show your outfit in the mirror. Nakabi, quick! 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 Ish! Nakabini ang ating baby girl oh. Hala, ayaw tong tanga anak. Hala, tanaway mong buhok. Mura nakagilayog. Have a look. Put it back na. Go. Put it back to Bini. Shush. Come to Daddy daw. Daddy's calling you. So, ito yung pa-outfit natin for today, guys. Itong top na to, meron siyang parang hoodie-hoodie dyan. This is from Fashion Nova. Set pala to siya. Meron to siyang parang leggings ba. Pero hindi ko siya sinusuot kasi parang lakra na lakra ang ating Taliban portion. Kaya pinarisan ko na lang nitong high-waisted na white jeans and then my shoes. And also, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo guys. Diba kahapon binili ko to siya from Chemist Warehouse. So first time ko siyang ginamit this morning and I am liking it. I really like it kasi pag nilagay ko siya sa mukha ko, hindi siya nag-iiwan ng malagkit na feeling bitaw. Nag-a-absorb siya diretso sa skin. Kaya, yeah. We'll see how it go pagdating ng mga pagdating ng panahon. Hindi pagdating ng isang linggo. We'll see if I still like it or not. But yan na. Ayan, alis na tayo, guys. Andiyan na sila, guys. Oh, nakalabas na kami. Si Lola ay nandun. Anak, say hi sa anak, be.
No.
Oh, no. Okay. And si Daddy. Can you check the mailbox quickly, Daddy? Oh, Paris. Okay. Honey girl! I'll just grab something from the car. Yung mask ko. So guys, dala ko na naman ang ating ASOS na ating i-return sa post office. Kasi diba sa video ko kahapon, sabi ko na yung tracking number ay hindi nag-work. Wala daw sa system ng Australia Post. Kaya kailangan kong maghingi ng bagong tracking number sa ASOS. Tapos, message ko sila sa Facebook, guys, and wala akong natanggap hanggang nagabi na lang, wala akong natanggap. Kaya, yung ginawa ko, chinek ko yung website nila. I think mga madaling araw na yun siya kanina pa. Yung chat na link ay available. So, chinat ko sila, and then, quickly, guys, nag-reply sila kaagad. Tapos sinabihan ko sila ng problema and Sir Steven yung pangalan ng lalaki na nagtulong sa akin. He was very helpful. Yung ginawa niya, he generated a new for this. Kaya, at in-email niya sa akin kagabi din. Kaya, pupunta ako ng post office para i-post to and hopefully, fingers crossed, okay na this time at hindi na natin kailangan dalhin to pag uwi natin mamaya. Baby, who gave you the flower?
Baby.
Who gave you the flower? Me? Show Mama the flower?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. Did Daddy give that to you?
Yes.
Huh?
Thanks.
Did you say thank you, Daddy? Spring na talaga siya, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo. Kasi lumalabas na ang mga bulaklak. Oh, diba? I love it. The weather is getting better now too. Hindi na siya masyadong maginaw. Hi guys! It's now 5:10 ng hapon. Pero sa atin yung ay nandito pa sa harapan ng kanyang mga computers kasi may kailangan pang gawin. Pasensya na guys, so ang ating background ay mga hinalay talaga ng mga damit. Yeah, that's real life guys. Yan yung totoong mga pangyayari dito sa bahay. Yeah, tatapusin ko lang tong isa guys, tapos ilalabas namin si Paris kahit sa sa front yard lang ba, maglaro lang konti. Lumabas pala sila kanina ni Daddy Mike, and ito yung binigay niya sa akin guys, oh. Namitos siya ng bulaklak sa labas, tapos binigay niya kay Mommy. Honey girl, thank you, Bobby. What's this one, honey? Did you give it to Mommy? Sobrang cute niya guys, tapos hinalikan niya ako. Did you give Mama flower? Come here, babe. Come here. Shush! Did you give Mama flower? Dito siya guys, oh. Wow! Did you give Mama some flowers? Oh, choose the hat. Yeah. Very dirty guys, oh. Kasi kumain siya kanina. Hindi pa siya nagbihis. Thank you for the flowers. Malap, kiss tayo, Mama. I love you. Did you find it? Well done. Did you and Daddy find the flowers for Mommy? Oh, Paris only. Siya lang daw ang nakakita ng flowers. Nanonood pala siya ng Blippi guys, kaya very noisy. What's that? What happened to that? That is soy sauce. Soy sauce. Ito pala yung binili ni Daddy Mike para sa akin before nang pumunta kami ng shops. Ayan, California roll na sushi. Do you wanna go out? I'll have to change the nappy first. Yes, you want it because you're smelly. You're baho. Ikabi? Baho? I don't want it. You're baho? Baho? Lubot? I don't want it. 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 Why are you crying? Huh? What's wrong? What's going on? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Did you check the mailbox today? No, Daddy, go. Go. Go, go. Go check with Daddy the mailbox. Go check with Daddy. No, Daddy. Get Paris to check it. Ay, so kilala man ating baby. Is there anything, Nak? Oh, what's in there?
Pizza.
Oh, pizza? Show Mommy B.
There's pizza.
Pizza?
Oh, do you want pizza tonight?
You've been making pizza.
Come on.
You can make pizza too.
Oh, we can make pizza too. Yeah, next time we will make pizza, okay?
The car.
Yes.
The car to buy pizza.
Go share the green snake, the pizza. Come on.
It's 5:30 na guys. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Dinala namin si Paris sa labas. Ayan, para makapag-enjoy. Is that a green snake, Nat? Yan talaga yung gusto niya. Makalabas ng bahay. Wow, that's a good jumping.
Oh, tell me about.
That's a really good jumping.
Oh, tell me about.
Paris, jump over the snake.
Shopping.
Daddy jump.
See?
Why? Good job.
A time. Anyone pizza?
You want pizza? She's asking the green snake if the snake wants pizza. Thank you, honey.
I think you want pizza.
Hey, snake, do you want pizza?
The snake wants a pizza? Huh?
Come on, baby.
To go.
Come on, let's go walk around the block.
No.
Go.
No, Mom.
Look at the flowers.
Oh, honey, Mommy.
Mama will hold it, okay.
The
Where's your cracker?
I ate it. She gave it to me. She gave it to me.
Find it.
Come on.
What's that?
Mom.
It's the mask. That's right. No, that's dirty na, anak. Yeah. Ayan. Spring na talaga, guys. Kasi, tingnan nyo, oh. Malapit na siyang mag 6 o'clock pero may light pa rin. Uy, anak. Ayun na, kahila ka gunta sa ero. There's a doggy. There's a doggy.
Inside the box.
That.
Inside the box.
Oh,
Oh,
Ducky inside the box. Ducky inside the box.
ang ganda dito, guys. Oh. Especially pag nag-ano na yung mga flowers, nag-bloom na yung mga flowers. Na, nagpa-up man di. Ay, nak, walking man ka, tanak. Walking man ka, ha?
Look, big bike.
Baby na bike.
It's beautiful.
Gaganda ng mga bahay nila dito ba? Super quiet.
Shop.
Honey, walk ikaw na.
In the shop.
The
Walk ikaw.
birds.
Basta pipi man oo.
Mommy, we're going to the shop.
Are you going to the shop?
Paris?
No, we're just going for a walk, my love.
Because the gruffalo said that he said no.
That's right,
You
yeah.
have to walk.
The baby gruffalo has to walk.
Baby gruffalo, let's go.
Big
Oh,
phone.
that is it.
Yes.
Big phone.
What's that?
It's Ducky.
It's a doggy.
I like to put them in the box.
It's red, green,
Blue,
blue,
yellow,
yellow.
green, red, blue, and yellow.
Good job.
This one's more.
There's more lights. They've got Christmas lights already, Nak.
Creepy.
Is it Christmas now?
This is more yellow. One, green, and red, and blue, and yellow, green,
Green?
and
Alin na, kailangan tag-iya. Come. Hala, the owner is here now. Uy,
Come on.
come. Alin na.
Come, Paris.
no other money.
Tignan nyo. Nagpapasaan sa iyang papa. Nak, I thought we are going for a walk. Well, Daddy and I are. How about you?
Paris is bigger than the eagle.
Oh yeah, controller. Hi.
Say hello,
Paris.
mommy.
Paris. Wow, you're so tall, honey.
Say hi, mommy.
Very high.
Red horse.
Good girl.
Kurang?
Put it on for Daddy, Nak.
Taruh kurang.
Come na, Nak. It's getting cold na, Nak.
Let's run. 1, 2, 3. Ready, running. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, get ready.
What did she say? Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. It's currently 6:15 na ng gabi. And yeah, pasensya na kung medyo maingay na kaon kasi yung heater natin guys kasi sobrang ginaw. Ayan oh. Super cold talaga. Kaya nga pumasok na kami. And you know what guys? Kita nyo to? Kita nyo to? Yes! Nandito pa siya. Hindi pa nakaalis guys. Oh my God. It's driving me crazy na talaga. Kasi, nung pumunta ako ng post office kanina, sabi ng babae doon na yung label daw na in-scan nila, na binigay ko, it's still not found, guys. Katulad nung sa kahapon. So, hindi ko pwedeng masend, guys. Kasi hindi naman nila i-print yung label kasi it's not found daw. Sabi nila, you have to contact ASOS again. And it's, oh my God, mabubuang na talaga ako sa kanila. Paano na lang yan ngayon? All the time na lang, hindi okay yung label na binibigay nila sa akin. So, I'm not too sure what to do now. Hindi ko alam kung ma-refund pa ba to or ano na, baka, ewan ko sa kanila. They're making it really hard for me. Hindi ko alam kung kailan matapos tong problema na to. So, I'll just wait until they reply to my email. Pag hindi, then I'll just, maybe, since weekend naman, so maybe I can stay up late tonight. Tapos, message ko sila sa chat nila sa website mamaya. And hopefully, fingers crossed talaga na mag-work. And also, yung hapunan pala natin tonight, napag-isipan namin ni Daddy Mike na hindi na lang kami magluluto. Kasi, today pala, may birthday sa work namin. So, yung kasamahan ko sa trabaho, birthday niya. And kung hindi nyo napanood yung previous video ko na sabi ng boss namin na pag may magbe-birthday, may pakain sila. Kaya we can just order sa Uber Eats tapos i-reimburse na lang nila by the end of the month. So yun yung gagawin namin. Ang in-order namin is fish and chips. And ayan sabi, hala, hindi maklaro man. Ayan So, estimated time of arrival is 7:20 ng gabi and it's only 6:20. What? 1 hour, Daddy? 1 hour ang delivery? Grabe, son. It's very close man dito sa bahay to. Busy siguro sila, guys, kasi Friday. But yeah, yan lang yung gagawin natin for the rest of the night. Chill lang kami dito. Hinihintay namin yung dinner namin. Kain kami, watch ng TV, and then put Paris to bed. Oh! Hey, look what I got! Nabulingit kaayo ang bato.
Look what I got, Daddy!
Look what I got, Daddy. Go, Daddy na. Daddy's in the bedroom. Come. Dito na ang aming dinner, guys. Oh, bit na ni Paris. Nico. Daddy's on the phone. Tell Daddy na. Tell Daddy.
Wake up, Daddy!
So,
Wake up, Daddy!
is it just him doing it by himself?
Daddy!
Wake up, Daddy.
Is it just him doing it by himself?
She said, like, look what I got.
Is it just him doing it himself?
Wake up, Daddy!
Is it one guy doing it? Yeah. I'll come out in a minute, Paris.
Look what he got. Come on, let's go.
Go.
We'll prepare it. We'll put it on the table.
Put it on the table and I'll come out.
Yay! Excited dinner.
Wake up, Daddy! Like, calm down.
Yes, dinner is coming. That is coming. That is just not done. Yeah, we'll put it on the table. We'll eat. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yes.
Daddy!
Yeah, parang crispy yung kanilang chip. Ito binigyan namin, guys. Calamari rings and then my grilled. Is it hot? So guys, I'm contacting ASOS again. Ayan. So, kasi available na yung chat nila sa website. Actually, at first, ito yung tinry ko, guys. Oh, yung sa laptop yung ginamit ko. But until now, it's still saying, you're currently in the queue to speak to one of our team. You'll be connected as soon as possible. Pero, tinry ko rin sa phone ko, and una siyang nag-connect. Tingnan niyo, you're now chatting to Francis. We'll see if solve na natin ang problem dito. You won't believe what happened, guys. Oh my God. So, diba sabi ko, nag-reply na si, yung Francis yung pangalan yung nag-reply. And, yeah, so obviously, sinabi ko lang sa kanya yung mga pangyayari, ganito, ganyan. And then, guess what? Francis has ended the chat. So, iniwan niya ako sa ere. Kaya kailangan ko mag-connect ulit sa website nila ng chat para may makausap na naman ako. Si Kuya ayaw niyang i-deal yung problema ko, kaya ayan, in-end niya ang chat. Oh my God. I can't believe na aabot sa ganito yung lahat, guys. Like, seriously, I just want to return my jeans. Why can't you make it right? Like, ngayon, guys, ayaw ko na talagang bumalik sa post office kasi pag binigyan nila ako ng next na baka pagbalik ko na naman, hindi na naman mag-work. Pero ito si, Haveria ba yung pangalan niya? Paris, ikaw, give that to mommy.
Oh, this is mine.
Exchange, oh. Exchange.
Don't go down, Mom. This.
Give it to mommy, please.
No, this is mine.
Hala, naughty Paris, guys, oh. Paris is playing with mama's night cream. Hala, Nak, that's the only night cream I have, Nak.
No, because this is mine.
Tanawa yung gibuhat, guys, oh.
They're good, mine.
Nilagay niya sa, sa paa ng tatay niya. Sa paa niya. Exchange lang, Nak. Mama have that, you have this. This is nice, too. This is day cream. Bulimit ka para ba?
Don't go on this one cream.
Hala, this one cream. Maldita ka. Give it to mama, please.
No, this is mine.
Paris.
No.
Mama crying.
Here. Think a bubble. Here, got the bubble in it.
I need the cream, Nak. I need the one, Nak. Sayang ka, ayun, Nak.
Here you go, one can find a bubble.
Give it to mama, please.
This is mine.
Give it to mama. Now, Paris. Now. Give it to mama now.
No, this
Ikaw
is
ba?
mine.
Give it to mama ba?
No, this is mine.
Give it to mommy.
No, this is mine.
Yan! Huwag ko yawanin.
Malukas. Tingnan niyo, saan nilagay ni Paris ang night cream. Your feet will look beautiful, Daddy.
Meron na.
Give it to mommy.
Here you go.
Thank you, princess.
I got these five hands.
Oh,
Look at hands.
what happened? Rub it. Rub your hands together like that. Good job. Well done. Binalik na rin sa akin, guys. Thank you, honey. Give mama a kiss, big. You're a good girl.
Perfect, mommy.
Give sa lagi sa mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. I love you.
I am petting you for money.
Bye. Malakilak mo rin siya kaya hindi siya kasabaan. Be? Show mama, be?
Poo-poo.
Pabubo. So, update pala guys sa ating ASOS saga. Ah, Lord. So, yung nakausap ko na, na babae sa ASOS, binigyan niya ako ulit ng return label, pero hindi na siya sa Australia Post. Ito yung tinatawag nila na parcel point. So, yung parcel point is around 10 minutes drive from here. Malapit siya sa work ko, guys. But this time, kailangan ko talagang i-print yung label, tapos i-attach ko doon sa, sa satchel. Kaya nga pinili ko yung Australia Post in the first place kasi wala nga kaming printer dito sa bahay. Ang Australia Post ay nagpiprint sila tapos sila yung nag-a-attach. But unfortunately sa parcel point, hindi nila ginagawa yun. So I have to print it myself. Pero sabi ko, it's okay na ngayon kasi kung malapit naman siya sa work, ko na lang, punta na lang ako sa office tapos dalhin ko lang yung laptop ko sa office ako magpiprint. Ganun ha. I might do it tomorrow, guys, kasi open na sila bukas. And ayoko nang patagalin, guys. Gusto ko nang tawag ito, matapos na ba? Hindi talaga ako nakaka-relax kapag may alam ako na mga bagay na hindi matapos-tapos. Shh! What are you doing?
Push, mommy.
Push? Oh, you're so dirty. Oh, gonna wash your face na. Uy! Hala, there's a brown worm. Oh! Hala. Ala, naunsa naman inak. Wala naman din yung sulod, guys. Oh, ito yung day cream ko na. Oh, naubos na.
Wash. Put the face.
Nothing left naman, nak. Finish na, finish. Finish. Let's go wash our face na ta. Let's go get ready for bed. Guys, i-ready ko muna tong baby natin for bed. Oh. Hi guys! It's now 9:20 ng gabi. Nakahilamos na kami ni Paris. Ayun siya, nagtatago. Nabihisan ko na rin si Paris for bed.
Tissue. you.
Yes, my love. Come. Come. So, very happy guys kasi Friday and yeah, obviously weekend, wala tayong work kaya makakapag-relax tayo. Anyways, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Thank you very much talaga. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out, and the first shout out goes to Janet Gordon, Lisan Bansil, Rosana Mansueto from Laguna, Mad Brat, Erlinda Madelo, shout out to Josephine Rivera, aka Nurse Joyce, hello. Shout out to Chari Salazar, and also shout out to Eileen and Alexa Suganov, Justine and Anna Marie Suarez from Silino, Negros Occidental. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Cherry May Ongayo, Florinda Corcuera. Yes, my love. Come up here na. So, we have to say bye-bye na tita and tito. Bring your baby sister. Bring your baby sister. You're not stuck. You're welcome, princess. Ayan na. Show your baby sister sa pantita o tita. I'm looking at you, sweetheart. Have a look at your beanie. What's going on? Yay! Here's my baby sister.
Look at me.
Look at me. Oh. Oh no. Shout out to Mamshi Nympha de Casa, Cain Bernales, Daya Magallanes, Jonadel Gallardo, Our Life Australia Philippines, Irene Banas, Marivic Valcorza, Helen Abiertas, Rebecca Zoniga, Ruth Morales, Den Rolago and Kids, Gina Sangila, Jersey Carzano, Evert Suta 53, and to her daughter Maria Micaela Sueta, Pichi Santiago, LV Real from New Jersey, USA, Joy Ron Cruz Mindo Amura, Elaine Norris Lavoy. Shout out to Irene Aviles, Jonah Reese, Zel Masiastom, Sharon Ando, Riz Chano, Renar May Ricahuerta, Maria Victoria Pangan, Joy Larot, Jonah Asiron, Lynette Cartagena, IB the Explorer, Mercy Matter, Claudine G, Unipica Chano, Elma Distor, Rowena Racho, Ruby de la Rosa, Esmeralda, Jeneline De Leon, Janice Vlogs, and Rose Lomeran. Uy, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye.
Hi.
Yes.